Yes.
Awesome. Hello. The beginning of my video. Are we going?
Right, zombies have a 60-second wait time. You guys get out. You've got 60 seconds before the game starts.
Run! Run! It's so hard to do HvZ when you can't go around the other side.
I know.
Is it still summertime? Oh! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
What?
Are you okay?
No.
Yes. I got that on camera.
I don't think that path goes around the front, does it?
Oh, it does go right around to the front, but you basically got to hope no one's there, otherwise you're a bit screwed.
Yeah. So I'm basically thinking like up to here is as far as you can go, really, isn't it?
Yeah. Unless you got to call a Hail Mary. Oh, come on! Why did they start with 3 zombies? Don't waste your ammo.
Don't waste your ammo.
You're gonna run out.
Wait till they get close. Wait till they get close.
Oh.
If I need to, can I take some of your rifle for this?
Yeah, you can take them.
You gotta watch out, don't you? Because if someone else hits them, and then they're counting to 3 when you run by, then they'll just tag you.
Yeah.
So you gotta be careful
like
about.
landmines.
You gotta be careful about when you run by them.
And especially after they're still in the grace period of
Hmm.
not being able to.
Yeah. Is anyone down there? Okay. That'd be, if I was a zombie, I'd sneak around the back. You're on the grass, mate. Come on. Oh, this is hard. Okay, we gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Shoot them at the same time, and then we've got to run. Wait. All right, let's go. Let's go. Shoot him. I got you on the leg. Good teamwork. Good teamwork. All right, we got this. One. 5. Hey. Let's try not to be seen unless we have to be. Let's just stay here. They'll see you there. Pete, is it 5 seconds? Yeah, okay. Oh man, look at all that stuff over there that you should be taking care of. Oh, which way should we run? Should we go that way or should we go this way?
You shoot me, but don't him to shoot me.
Yeah, go on, shoot him and then let's run by.
We've still got people here.
I'm gonna shoot you. Run!
2, 3.
Oh yeah. Damn it. You always want to make sure that you have an escape plan. That might be fine if the other side's clear.
Run away!
Nay, shoot her. Oh, that was a really slow count to 6 there. 4,
4.5.
5. Watch out there. Oh no!
Oh no!
It's because you brought an official Nerf brand product.
My shed was too wet to go in this morning, so I didn't bother. That's why I'm running rubbish stuff.
Oh no, they're gonna pincer us. We need to get past them early. Oh no.
The second you shoot him, I'm like, gotta run past him in these 3 seconds.
Oh no, never be with the horde of zombies. Is there one down here? Oh, damn it, I don't feel good about this. Is it clear?
No, she's a zombie.
Zombie.
Yeah. Is it clear? No.
When they're like, don't quite answer the question. Hey guys!
I spy a lot of zombies.
Yeah, let's go at the same time. Ready? Let's go. Yeah. Just put it over there.
I'll carry it. It's fine. I'll tell you with it now.
Come on.
1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Got you.
Flip it heck! It's not.
That guy over there shot me just in time to get you.
Damn it! Oh, good job, good job. It's alright. Yep. Where is it? Do you know? Oh, so I guess the other one's there. Oh god.
Like, tactically go inside. Wear a stride. Hit.
Hey. Okay, you've hit me. Ah. Got 5 seconds from respawn, right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're the only one still alive. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's not many of them. She's been hit. This is our chance. Okay. I'm dead. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Damn it!
You're all out. Good effort, guys.
I was in the corridor.
This is it. This is it. Let's go.
There's nobody in the corridor.
I hit you. Move up, move up.
3, 4, 5.
Ah! Yep. Oh, he got me. Oh, we had their one for a moment. Yeah. Have we got that one? Have we got the one inside?
I'm not sure. Let's go have a look.
Oh, we've got that one. So right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't trust him, he might not be.
Well, he has to go to respawn anyway if he goes in the safe room.
Have we got it?
Got that one.
All right.
It's in there, is it?
Oh, he got me. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Orange. Did I get you?
No, you didn't.
Then why are you saying ow?
Dead man.
Tell you
Dead man. Dead man.
Dead man.
Dead man.
Dead man. Dead man.
Dead.
All right, we've got 2 of them, but we need to try and get this one. Ow! Oh, nice. I reckon if 4 of us run up at the same time, they can't shoot all of us.
I only know 2 of them are.
Have we got this one?
1, 2,
Hey.
3.
We haven't got this one.
It's in the room, but I think we need to take this down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Yes. No.